Welcome to our channel where we explore eco-friendly interior design tips. Today, we're focusing on maximizing natural light. Natural light not only brightens a space, but also reduces the need for artificial lighting. Start by choosing light-colored paints and furniture to reflect light. Consider incorporating large windows and glass doors to let in more sunlight. Utilize mirrors strategically to bounce light around the room. Keep curtains light and sheer to allow maximum light penetration. Be mindful of furniture placement to avoid blocking light sources. Opt for skylights or light tubes to bring in light from above. Consider adding solar tubes to distribute natural light evenly. Install light shelves to reflect light deeper into the room. Use light-colored flooring materials to enhance brightness. Choose minimalist window treatments to allow natural light to flow freely. Pay attention to the direction of sunlight throughout the day to maximize its impact. Embrace open floor plans to facilitate the spread of natural light. Utilize light-diffusing materials to soften harsh sunlight. Incorporate living plants to create a natural and airy atmosphere. Consider building a light well to channel light into lower levels of the home. Opt for energy-efficient windows to maximize light while minimizing heat loss. Integrate light sensors or dimmers to adjust artificial light levels based on natural light availability. Aim for a balance between natural and artificial lighting for optimal comfort. Select light fixtures that complement natural light rather than compete with it. Consider using light tubes or sun tunnels for spaces with limited window access. Use reflective surfaces, such as mirrors or metallic accents, to amplify natural light. Place furniture at angles to allow light to bounce off surfaces. Avoid heavy window coverings that block out natural light. Create a light and airy ambience with a neutral color palette. Experiment with different light bulb temperatures to complement natural light. Consider incorporating light shelves to bounce light off the ceiling. Choose furniture with glossy finishes to reflect light around the room. Play with textures to enhance the play of light and shadows in your space. Opt for light and airy window treatments that frame rather than block natural light. Utilize light-colored blinds or shades that can be easily adjusted to control light levels. Consider adding a sunroom or conservatory to maximize natural light exposure. Use light-diffusing surfaces such as frosted glass to soften harsh sunlight. Explore innovative design solutions like light wells or light scoops to bring in more natural light. Try incorporating light-enhancing elements like reflective surfaces, glass accents, or metallic finishes. And there you have it, our tips for maximizing natural light in eco-friendly interior design. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more eco-conscious design ideas. Like, share and subscribe our channel for more discussions on energy-efficient buildings.